Yeah, hello, welcome back. For this video guide, we're going to learn how to place order on Cssbuy by using the ship for me option. Here, you have already bought the product from the supplier or the seller yourself, but this time you only want Cssbuy to help you forward or ship the parcel or the goods to your country of destination. So let's see how you can go about doing that. Let's head to our browser. So here we are on our browser. When we have already purchased or ordered the product from our seller, it assumes the seller has already given us a tracking number of the product that we have bought ourselves. Let's use this product as an example. So let me use this. For us to be able to submit order for ship for me only, you come to the ship for me menu and click on submit ship. For this option, it means Cssbuy would only help you forward or ship the goods or the parcel to your country of destination. Should you bought or order the item or the parcel yourself, when you get the tracking number from the seller or the supplier, you only copy and paste it in the tracking number option or box given you, and then put a reference URL. For example, if this product I bought directly from my seller, I only pick the URL of this product and then paste it here. And then I'll select whichever shipping or express or courier company the seller has sent the parcel through, if I know or the seller has told me. But if I don't know, I only choose others. And then because I would like Cssbuy to take a picture of the item for me, I will also select photos so that when the parcel arrives, Cssbuy would give me a picture of what I've actually bought, so I decide whether to go ahead and ship it or not. And then I'll ask Cssbuy to check the product for me, and as saying, if it were to be sure, I would ask them to take off the box, or this particular product I feel maybe I don't need a retail box, I only need this product, so I can check this for them to take off box and weigh only the product. And then after which I will click on submit. When I click on submit, I'm done here. So whenever the item arrives, the status will be updated for me as arrived, and the shipping or the weight of the product will be given me for me to calculate the cost involved in shipping. Lest I forgot, let me quickly brief you. While making an order on Cssbuy directly or from 1688, apart from submitting to ship, you can also make Cssbuy take a picture of the item for you as well, so you are sure of what you've bought. So let's say I'm going to have this product shipped outside China, so I'll select my country, and then here I'll take this. I'll take only one because all these items will be inside one parcel, so I'll only take this. If you take all, the system will calculate everything for you. But since all this product is coming from one particular link and it will be one parcel, I've ticked this. So when it's in, a picture or photo will be taken of it. You can ask them to also measure the size of the product for you. Since some shipping companies uses the volume weight to calculate the shipping costs, you can also let them drop shoe box at this stage as well. So that is it for submitting to ship or placing order for Cssbuy to just ship or forward your parcel to your destination country. Thank you. Bye bye.